When we were in Antwerp, none of the family had the legal right to remain there. Meanwhile, I was going to kindergarten there. But we didn't have a legal, my brother had just a visa to visit for 3 days, and my parents had nothing. So my brother was running around trying to get us the legal permission to remain. But we were denied because there was an organization called the Sûreté Publique, and it was like our FBI. And the head of it was a guy named Robert Defoe. And he was an anti-Semite. And he also didn't want foreign businessmen coming to Belgium and competing with Belgian businessmen. You know, like what if my father had opened a men's clothing store, which he was thinking of doing, he would be competing with Belgians. So Defoe didn't give us permission to remain. He gave the order to the mayor of Antwerp, a man named Camille Huysmans, who later became Prime Minister of Belgium, to deport us to Poland. My parents hadn't lived in Poland for 20 years or something. We'd been deported to Poland, we would have been killed there. If we had been given permission to remain in Belgium, the Germans came in, we would have been killed there. But we didn't know this. But we certainly didn't want to go to Poland. He was a socialist mayor, sympathetic to the Jews, and he refused to execute the order of Robert Defoe. He wouldn't deport us. So Robert Defoe called his own federal police, because Huysmans had jurisdiction of the municipal police, and Robert Defoe called the federal police and told them to deport us to Poland. And when they came to the house, we were on the SS Westerland going to the United States.